Good morning, friends. Hello and welcome back after a long time. Okay, this is just informative video in the sense of information about unit test. As you know, we have already planned, as well as you will appear in that maths paper also very soon. For that, these things you have to remember. First of all, you have to be honest with your studies, with yourself. Right? Within that 3 hours, try to write those things which you have prepared very well. Don't try to attempt all the things, but attempt those things maximum so you can get the good marks. Right? So this is the first step for your board exam. By this way, you may come to know which type of preparation you have done and which type of improvement you need. Clear? So, this is our try to make you honest during exams. Okay? So, you must have to follow few things by your own, because supervisor is absent. Supervisor will be absent. You have to supervise by your own. Right? Don't cheat yourself. Be honest and try to do your level best. Clear? Particularly, if we are talking about our subject, in one standard, in the Zoom meeting, I have told you the paper format, and for all the students, which will be the paper format for unit test, let us say. Right? Our paper will be of 80 marks. Right? And to get the maximum marks from that 80, you have 3 hours. Right? The marks are as follows. That is 16, 20, 24 and again 20. So total 80 marks, right? 16 marks carries for short questions. Excuse. Short questions means there will be definition, there will be law, there will be blank, there will be that MCQ, right? So in a short question you have to write few things, means one line statement will be there as an answer, right? 20 marks. 20 marks means 10 questions of 2 mark each. Generally, we have taken that theory portion maximum in this, but few questions will be there. It is examples, right? Very short examples will be there. Just you know the equation, put the value, find the answer, you will get 2 marks. Clear? Then 24 means 8 questions multiplied by 3 marks, right? Means generally this portion is for numericals only, right? But as per board pattern, we can ask, we have asked theory also. Clear? Then 20 marks. 20 marks, it is 4 question each of 5 marks, right? So in this mark, long questions will be there, long examples will be there, and generally long example according to the blueprint we have taken from 2nd chapter, 3rd chapter, 11th and 12th maybe, but you must have to prepare according to that textbook. Don't try to get that wrong meaning of this paper style. You have to prepare each and everything in from each and every chapters, right? You don't have to think from this chapter 5 marks question will not be there, 3 mark numerical will not be there. Don't think like that. Try to prepare each and everything, whatever it is given in our textbook, whatever we have done during this video lectures. Clear? Okay, so this is of paper style and chapters. Few students will be there like me. They may not have any idea about how many lectures, how many chapters are there. Okay, so for that, chapter number 1 to 4, 11 and 12. Not 11 and 12, 12 and 13. Right, 1 to 4 we have already seen. 12 is atom and 13 is nucleus. Clear? So this is the paper pattern for your exam, and as I told, I want to tell you again, be honest with your studies, be honest with yourself. Don't cheat. Write down each and everything, whatever you know. Click, make PDF and send it within that 30 minutes, which our principal sir has already told you. Right? One more change is there that you know very well, and that change is you don't have to make one notebook for all the subjects. You have to write one paper in one supplementaries. So after that you will have 3 supplementaries. You have to submit in the school by yourself. Schedule will be given by our principal sir in future. Clear? Then we will check it and we will display the marks. Okay? So this is about paper style as well as few tips that I want to give. Now, it is not totally informative video, but we will see few theories from chapter number 1 that I like to revise, which we have not done in the revision video. Clear? So, it is first. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take, please. Okay? See. Now, in the chapter number 1, few things are very important. For an examples, Coulomb's law, vector form, scalar form, it will be very okay. Second thing is Gauss law. Simple. There is a Gauss law is B dot dl. What is this? It is nothing but phi. What is phi? Electric flux associated with a closed loop is equal to the ratio of total charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface to epsilon 0. Right? This is Gauss law. Right? This law is very important for exam, and I wish to explain one theory for infinite long plane surface, let us say. Okay? Consider this is a surface. This surface is uniformly charged. Clear? And these uniformly charges are positive charges. Right? For our convenience, this positive charge having electric field which is coming out. So it is electric field, right? This theory we have seen in our regular class in that regular school also. Okay, this sheet having area, which area? A. What to write? How to write? As shown in figure, consider infinitely long plane sheet having area A, which is uniformly charged with positive charges. It having surface charge density sigma is equal to Q by A. Clear? Then on both the side of the surface, consider 2 points. So these 2 points will be like this. First point is P, second point is P dash. Right? At this point P and P dash, let us consider area vector, that is A. Here also A. Clear? Then directly you have to write this way. Electric field at point P and P dash is given by, sorry, not electric field, flux associated with point P as well as point P dash is given by E. Yes, E. That is E dot A. And it is nothing but EA cos theta. What is theta? Theta is an angle between E and A. See, at both the sides, electric field and area vector, they are parallel. Here also there is parallel, means at point P and P dash, electric field and area vector, they are parallel to each other. And because of this reason, E is parallel to A. Because of this reason, theta is equal to 0, and here cos 0 having value 1. So you will have answer which EA. So total electric flux is given by phi P plus phi P dash is equal to EA plus EA. How many times EA? That is 2 times EA. Give it equation number 1. Okay? This is equation number 2. Right? According to Gauss law. Okay? Then you have to compare that both equation, that is equation 1 compared with equation number 2. So you will get sum of electric charges, that is total charge, and total charge is nothing but Q by A is equal to 2 times EA. Right? Okay. What is Q by A? Q by A is nothing but sigma. Right? Sigma upon Q by not A, it is Q by epsilon 0. Right? What is Q by epsilon 0? Make a subject E. E is equal to, okay, once again, little bit mash up, compare this, that is Q by epsilon 0 is equal to 2 EA. Make subject E. So E is equal to Q by 2 epsilon 0 multiplied by A. What is Q by A? Q by A is nothing but sigma. So you will get the last equation, E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. Right? So this is the theory to obtain electric field for a infinitely long plane sheet which is uniformly charged. So this is the answer. Clear? Let us have a look for a few seconds. Okay? One more theory I wish to explain, and that is obtain the electric field at a point on axis of dipole. Clear? For that, we know very well you have to take a dipole having positive charge, having negative charge. Two equal and opposite charges are separated by some definite distance, and that distance is nothing but 2a. Clear? From the center, you have to take a point. Which point? P, which is at a distance r. So what will be this distance? It is nothing but r minus a. What is the distance from here? It is nothing but r plus a. Is this okay? So complete the figure. How to write? What to write? As shown in figure, consider a dipole having dipole moment P is equal to 2aq. Consider a point P from the center of a dipole. Point P is at a distance r from the center of dipole, is at a distance r minus a from plus q charge, r plus a from minus q charge. Okay? Now, electric field E is equal to, we have equation E is equal to F by Q, and then is equal to KQ by R square. Put the value of K, Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by R square. From this, we have to write equation of E for both the charges individually. That means for positive charge, so here Q will be plus, that is plus Q 4 pi epsilon 0 from plus Q. What is the distance? That is R minus A. R minus A whole square plus for minus Q charge. Minus Q. So it is minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by the distance of point P from minus Q charge, that is R plus A, that is R plus A whole square. Now take out the common. What is there? Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 in bracket 1 upon R minus A whole square plus minus 1 upon R plus A whole square. Right? Is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by, right, do cross multiplication, that is R minus A whole square R plus A whole square, cross multiplication and then simplification. So you will get R square plus A square plus 2 RA here minus r square minus a square plus 2ar. So this term will be cancelled, right? So what will remain? It remains q by 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by 2 to 4 ar upon, this is the identity, a square minus b square whole square. So it will be r square minus a square whole square. As you know, we are talking about point P. So for all the terms, there will be a P caret, right? So this is the equation of electric field for a dipole at a point on axis. There is one more question. If that distance, if r is very greater than a, so in this above equation, put a is equal to 0. When you are putting a is equal to 0 in bracket term, you will get e is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by 4 ar, here 0, r square square, that is r raised to 4. 1 r will be cancelled out and you will get the result e is equal to 4a cube upon 4 pi epsilon 0 multiplied by r cube. Clear? This equation shows that electric field is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance, right? From this, similar to this, there is one more theory that is for equator. It is also very easy and you can do by your own. Try to prepare that. Best of luck for your exams and wait for the next video. Thank you very much.
Bye, Miss.